H2 Tango can proceed at the airport at your discretion. And pattern altitude 1,200, the altimeter 2991, runway 27, cleared to land.
2991, 27, cleared to land. We'll go direct to the airport. H2 Tango, thanks. Watch my altitude a little bit. Go lower? Yeah, no, go stay at this altitude. Don't go low because there's buildings right there. Very good. Yeah, just like that. Nice. Alright, so we can expect to taxi off to the right over there.
H2 Tango 180 at your discretion. You can back taxi and when able, runway 27, clear for takeoff, and 160 at 6. You can proceed direct midfield for Montgomery.
Perfect. Back taxi runway 27, cleared for takeoff, and then direct Montgomery. Thank you so much for your help, H2 Tango.